Hello kids, this is Mr. Whistler with your video lesson of the day, and today we're going to be talking about the Industrial Revolution. Okay, we've got a few vocab words. The Industrial Revolution, the official is the change from a farming society to one based on industry. 8th grade. Factories. Significance, this allows for a more diverse economy. Translation, more ways to make money. Second word is technology. Scientific discoveries put to use in society. Inventions. Helps us to advance in the way we do things, makes life better. Factory system. The system bringing manufacturing steps into one place to increase efficiency. Before the factory system, the steps to create products were done in different places. All the steps to create a product under one roof. This is a picture of an early factory with all these different jobs in the same building. Helps produce items at a lower cost. Interchangeable parts. Identical pieces that can be made in large amounts to replace other identical pieces. Before they had interchangeable parts, everything had to be handmade and not every part was identical. New parts used to replace old parts. This helped produce items at a lower cost. And free enterprise. Freedom to compete and make profits from producing, selling, and buying whatever you want. Example, the American economy, free enterprise system. People have the freedom to make money. All right, our first question that I would like you guys to answer is on the first two paragraphs of 307. What I would like you guys to do is read those paragraphs at least twice, maybe even 3 times. And once you have a clear understanding in your mind on how the Industrial Revolution started, then I want you to answer this question. In your own words, explain when, where, and how the Industrial Revolution started. Here's what I came up with. The way goods were made changed in the mid-1700s, and it happened in Britain first. They invented machines to spin cotton and the thread. These machines ran on water power. So factories sprung up along rivers. People left their homes and farms to work in mills. And this is the Industrial Revolution. Okay, the second question I want you guys to answer, I want you to read the paragraphs on page 308 under the heading New England Factories. Read them several times so you get a clear understanding of how this happened. And then in your own words explain how and where the Industrial Revolution started in America. The British tried to keep their machines a secret so they could just make money from them. And this guy, Samuel Slater, worked in the factories in England. He ran the machines and worked on them and became really familiar with these machines, and he felt so familiar that he felt like he could build one. So he went to the United States with the designs in his head and built the machines for the people of the United States. So Samuel Slater was responsible for the Industrial Revolution in the United States. All right, the Industrial Revolution was good for the United States because it helped us gain wealth, power, and independence. Inventions and machines saved time and money. One like the cotton gin. Before the cotton gin, one person could clean 1 pound of cotton in a day. After the cotton gin, one person could clean 50 pounds of cotton in a day. So these machines and inventions saved time and money. Francis Cabot Lowell opened a textile mill in Massachusetts and decided that he wanted the whole operation in one place under one roof, so he kind of invented the factory system. Here's a picture of an early factory with everything under one roof. The factory system made manufacturing more efficient, and more efficient means they were going to make more money. Then the interchangeable parts came around, and the use of interchangeable parts produced cheap goods on a mass scale. So this was good for the economy because people could buy stuff cheaper, and so people sold more stuff, and it just kind of snowballed. Since we were creating our own products, we didn't need other countries anymore, so it gave us a little bit of independence from other countries. And because of the Industrial Revolution and people moving from farms to work in factories, cities and towns grew as people came to work in these factories. So, the bottom line is, the Industrial Revolution made the economy better because we had many more ways to make money. And that's basically all we're going to talk about with the Industrial Revolution. Alright, I want you guys to do this worksheet, complete it. And I want you guys to write an essay using this bubble map about the Industrial Revolution. The Industrial Revolution was good for the United States. It helped us gain wealth, power, and independence. The new technology or inventions and machines helped us save time and money. The factory system made manufacturing better. And the use of interchangeable parts produced cheap goods on a mass scale. Since we were creating our own products, we didn't need other countries anymore. And cities and towns grew because of the Industrial Revolution, ultimately making our economy better and more ways to make money. So use this to kind of write your essay. Now here's the notebook. I want you to make a flappy out of the Industrial Revolution worksheet. On the underside, I want the answer to those two questions. Write the questions too. On the right side top, put the bubble map in and color it. And then on your Google Docs, write the essay, print it out, cut it out, and paste it on the bottom right. Well, kids, that's the Industrial Revolution. And have a nice day.